Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a house with obsidian and bedrock. So I'm so excited because my skin looks like a stone, look. That's really weird, so you should cover this is the inside. You have to do that. But you find something hard, because I find something hard, is this. So you can just build everything, not everything, no. Be careful not to destroy it because my Minecraft is not working well. So see how you have to do? Because I'm in SpongeBob SquarePants map. That's the wrong number. You finish. Let's finish this. Good job. I'm sorry, this is bedrock. And this. So you have to do the same thing like me. If you messed up, it's okay. Or you can, in survival, if you have bedrock from creative. Oh, I messed up. Oops, it's here. There you go. What should this do? Well, it's actually, yes. I'm doing this all day. Oh my god, why are you doing this all day? I'm doing this all day because it's so fun. That's what am I doing all day? If you just dealt that block inside the house. Oh my god, what the heck? It's like black or something. Oh, so it's obsidian. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. So inside is obsidian. No. Fill up everything because you don't need it. Oh, sorry, need it. I'm sorry, need it. There you go. Now you fill up this. And it's actually, oh my god, what the heck am I doing? Yeah. You're doing the same thing what I'm doing. If you want to get that map, you should click in my comment down below or right here to know what's the map. Or just tell me in the comment section below. I will tell you the whole wide world. Jesus Christ. Are you done? Tell me in the comment section below. I am. You're not? It's okay. No problem. But we have more on the back side. And this is my bench. Look at the figure, the whiz. Look at the figure, the whiz. Woo! So you can only just fill up this because you can't just fill up everything because that's going to be shit. just with that rock. There you go. Now you this with. So these slabs are going to be destroyed because the ones where are the blocks, the colored skins, it's all good. So you destroy all the slabs and stuff that are not exist with that. So I'm destroying the ones that do not exist. Or you can just destroy everything. It's my pleasure. Please, I will comment down below, say yes or no. Will I just broke this or not? Because, you know what? My dad made this map for like 5 years and it takes like, I don't know. There you go. I'm sorry, but this will protect you. You will put this. I'm sorry. I'm actually real because the outside of that. What the heck? So there you go. Or fill up the inside with oxygen because you don't want to get hurt by the, you know. I have no idea. Now fill up the you know, this. So you should just fill up the whole place, not just the whole place. The whole of room. Look how many rooms inside the SpongeBob house. I'm sorry, Wool, but you gotta be so destroyed. What the okay, now we supposed to get this shit right here. Good job. Fill up the inside. Don't fill up the whole inside, because that's gonna be stupid. What? Dog? Stop doing that, dog. Jesus Christ, my dog is so dumb. Okay. If there's a hole, which I see nowhere. Well, good job. So, we are gonna close up the hole plus, oh my god. Do anyone knows what am I doing? Because I know what am I doing. I'm just filling up this whole place so you can know how many is there. How many TNT should it take to destroy all of this? Only we should... No. We're not gonna destroy everything. Oh, thank goodness. We're just gonna decorate. It's gonna take forever. What? It's gonna take forever? What the heck? Oh, thank goodness. Then you don't have to do that. Ooh. I think we'll have to like explore the whole map. Because that's gonna be ridiculous. I know that's ridiculous, because that's not good. That's right. That's not good because you're not gonna do this. Don't do this. Doubt everything if you're doing wrong. There you go. You're not gonna explode anything. Oh my god, what the heck is this doing here? If you're playing Just Dance, comment down below because I really like that song. What? I destroy my life. It's gonna take forever. I'm sorry guys, but this is gonna take forever, so you just don't do that. Destroy. Destroy! Just good question. Well, it's gonna take forever. When I destroy, just leave it like that. And don't fill up this, because it's gonna take forever. Let's explore the land. Sitting on it. I'm going. Wait a second. I'm balling. 3 hours later, this is for just, you know what it's called. Wait a second. The history of the explorer. Where am I? Oh, wait. It's nice here. I should take a Krabby Patty. I want a Krabby Patty, please. Okay. SpongeBob! Oh no! Oh no! What is he doing? No, we can't get out. We can't get out. No. What is this? Parkour, really easy. Yay! How do they make this? Whoa, good job. What's this? I will order a chan shake and chan pie and chan fries. That would be $5, please. Ah! Ah! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. I think it's burned. I need to get out of here. Wait, ding dong, ding dong. Bye. We'll see you next time. Comment down below, what have you seen? Don't look at the video. Bye.